Hi everyone.
Hi.
First and foremost, we are coming to learn history's 13th chapter, that is United Nations. We have already completed the function of UN and what is defined UN. Next, we come to what is General Assembly. General Assembly is the main organ of UN and consists of the representative of all member nations, and each have only one vote. All the organ, including Security Council, has to report to the General Assembly for consideration and follow-up action. Decision on important matters such as admission of new members and maintenance of international peace and security, etc. are taken by the two-third majority. And simple decision and matter are taken by the simple majority of member nations by the vote. And the headquarters of General Assembly is in Manhattan, New York City. The meeting were held within 1 year. Next is the function of United Nations. To consider and to make recommendation on general principle for cooperation of international peace and security, including disarmament. To discuss questions relating to international peace and security and to make recommendation on it. To discuss and to make a recommendation on power and function of any organ of UN. Next is to initiate study and to make and to give suggestion on member nation for the promotion of international cooperation, including social, political, economic overhead. Next is to make a recommendation on recommendation for the peace or settlement of a dispute, to consider and to receive the UN budget. Next is to consider and to make a recommendation on the report of Security Council and other organ of UN. Next is to admit or for the admission of non-permanent members of Security Council, judges of International Court of Justice, Trustship Council, etc. are being appointed by the General Assembly. The appointment of Secretary General by the recommendation of Security Council is also appointed by the General Assembly. The law adopted by the General Assembly in 1950 for the maintenance of international peace and security. Next is a section taken by the General Assembly. The section is taken by the committee formed by the General Assembly. The Assembly formed cooperation formed by the General Assembly. Next is the Secretariat or the other organ of General Assembly. Next is the section. The important decision and important meeting were set up till the 3rd Tuesday of September to the December. And the important or any emergency meeting should be held within 24 hours. And the emergency meeting were held by the recommendation of 9 members or the 5 permanent members. So next we come to the Security Council.
Security Council is the main organ of UN. It has a main function, that is to maintain international peace and security. It consists of 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. The 5 permanent members are China, Russia, France, US, UK. So next is it has the power to veto a decision. If any decision made by the Security Council, it can be withdrawn by the 5 permanent members. So the power that the 5 permanent members have to withdraw the decision made by the Security Council, this power is called veto a decision. So next is it has only the power of 1 vote. So next is the function of Security Council. The first function of Security Council is the maintenance of international peace and security, to settle dispute peacefully, to prevent aggression, to establish the achievement of trade of peace, regulate armament, prevent aggression, and to take military action against the aggressor, to admission of new members, and to recommendation to the General Assembly for the Security Council and other organ to maintain the Trustship Council and to be a part of UN. So this is enough for today. Thank you.